Starting around 25 August 2023, Bitgert explicitly is exchanging at $0.00000026 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 2.05%. In most recent 1 hour in an unobtrusive manner, Brise truly has a really all-out market cap of $103,684,343, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $2,707,965. Lovely in spite of prevalent thinking. This especially makes Bitgert, Brise fundamentally positioning at 190 in the digital money market, which most certainly is very critical. In the event that you really are a crypto financial backer and considering what explicitly is the Bitgert cost expectation end of 2023, what will Bitgert essentially be in every practical sense worth in 2023? Or so they generally thought. Is Bitgert a fundamentally wise speculation or essentially worth purchasing in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? Will Brise cost generally outperform its untouched high in a genuinely significant manner? These most certainly are our Bitgert cost expectations for Brise's future in an especially significant manner. Bitgert, Brise, value expectation 2023. As per the Bitgert figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Brise cost by and large is supposed to especially cross a sort of normal value level of $0.00000035, the normal genuinely least value worth of Bitgert, toward the finish of the especially current year, ought to in a real sense be $0.00000034 in a truly significant manner. In addition, Brise can in every practical sense arrive at and in every way that really matters, greatest value level of $0.00000038, which in a real sense shows that assuming that you especially are a crypto financial backer and considering what, for the most part, is the Bitgert cost expectation end of 2023, what will Bitgert truly be genuinely worth in 2023, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Bitgert, Brise, value expectation August 2023. The cost for Bitgert in August 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0.00000028 and $0.00000032 in an especially significant manner, while the fundamentally normal exchanging cost ought to be around $0.00000031 in an in every practical sense huge way. Bitgert value expectation September 2023. Bitgert cost generally is supposed to fundamentally reach between $0.00000031 to $0.00000034 in September 2023, while the really normal cost of Brise for the September truly remains around $0.00000032. Bitgert, Brise, value forecast October 2023. The cost for Bitgert in October 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.00000032 and $0.00000035, which generally is very critical, while the extremely normal exchanging cost ought to sort of be around $0.00000033 in an unobtrusive manner. Bitgert value gauge November 2023. In November 2023, the truly greatest cost for Bitgert could sort of stretch around $0.00000037, or so they in every practical sense thought. Besides, the minimum cost of Brise in November 2023 truly is $0.00000034, with an extremely normal cost of $0.00000035 in an unpretentious manner. Bitgert value gauge December 2023. The really normal cost of Bitgert, Brise, could especially go to $0.00000035 toward the finish of December 2023, or so they fundamentally thought. Brise could truly be exchanging around a truly greatest worth of $0.00000038 with the in every way that really matters least expected cost of $0.00000034 in an unpretentious manner. Bitgert in every practical sense, past value examination in the beyond 24 hours. The crypto especially has been generally diminished by 6.8% in its truly current worth, which most certainly shows that Bitgert, Brise, value expectation August 2023. The cost for Bitgert in August 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.00000028 and $0.00000032, or so they sort of thought. Assuming we especially look at the fundamentally current market cap of the Brise with yesterday's, you can in a real sense see that the market cap explicitly is likewise down. Bitgert explicitly is confronting and in every practical sense, tough time jumping aboard with essentially other crypto coins in a by and large enormous manner. The Brise really is down to nearly 26.57% in the very most recent 7 days in a by and large significant manner. The coin in a real sense is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for especially past kind of couple of days. The coin could in a real sense have all things considered, solid basics in any case. We don't especially believe that it would a productive resource in every way that really matters. Present moment further appearance. How this explicitly makes Bitgert, Brise, positioning at 190 in the digital money market. Or so they basically thought. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of Brise especially diminished by 46.523%. Wiping out an astounding commonly normal amount of $0.00000023 from its ongoing worth. By and large further appearance, how for the most part is Bitgert a truly wise venture or kind of worth purchasing in 2023, in a kind of significant manner. This unexpected down sort of implies that the coin sort of is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can explicitly be an especially decent essentially purchase and open door for fundamentally fast venture. Exhibiting that Bitgert value expectation September 2023. Bitgert cost most certainly is supposed to in every practical sense reach between $0.00000031 to $0.00000034 in September 2023, while the fundamentally normal cost of Brise for the September really remains around $0.00000032. Bitgert, Brise, value expectation October 2023. The cost for Bitgert in October 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0.00000032 and $0.00000035 in an unobtrusive manner. Bitgert value figure 2023 facts. What will generally be Bitgert genuinely worth in 2023 in a genuinely enormous manner? The Brise cost truly is determined to truly arrive at a very most extreme degree of $0.00000038, with really least cost of $0.00000034 toward the finish of 2023. Showing how Bitgert basically is confronting and in every practical sense, difficult time jumping aboard with commonly other crypto coins, which certainly is very huge. Does Bitgert in every way that really matters have a future, which by and large is genuinely huge? As far as value, Bitgert generally has a remarkable for the most part potential to by and large arrive at new levels, which really is genuinely critical. It sort of is